Have you ever wondered how people make money online without creating their own products? Or how bloggers and influencers earn a living by recommending stuff they love? If so, you're in the right place. Affiliate Marketing 101, Beginner's Guide to Success. This is part 1 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Whether you're looking to escape your mind-numbing job or simply cover your monthly bills to reduce stress and sleep better, this series is designed to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. In this introductory episode, we'll lay the foundation for your journey to financial freedom. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's get started on your path to affiliate marketing success. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, a powerful way to earn passive income and build a thriving online business. In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing. From understanding the basics to getting tips on starting strong, we've got you covered. Let's start by discussing why affiliate marketing is such a popular and effective way to make money online. The truth is, many people dream of earning a passive income, but they face several challenges. Creating a product, managing inventory, and handling customer service can be overwhelming and expensive. That's where affiliate marketing comes in as a solution. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. This means you don't have to worry about creating your own products or dealing with the complexities of running a traditional business. Instead, you can focus on marketing and driving sales. So, how does affiliate marketing work? Let's break it down into simple steps. 1. Understanding the basics. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you, the affiliate, earn a commission for driving sales or leads to a merchant's website. Here are the key players involved. Merchant, the creator or seller of the product or service. This could be a company, an individual, or a brand. Affiliate, the marketer who promotes the merchant's product in exchange for a commission. Customer, the person who buys the product through the affiliate's link. The process typically works like this. The merchant provides the affiliate with a unique tracking link or code. The affiliate shares this link on their website, blog, social media, or other platforms. When a customer clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. 2. Types of affiliate programs. Next, let's talk about the different types of affiliate programs you can join. There are several models, but here are the most common ones. Pay per sale, PPS. You earn a commission when a customer makes a purchase through your affiliate link. This is the most common model. Pay per lead, PPL. You earn a commission when you generate leads for the merchant, such as sign-ups or contact form submissions. Pay per click, PPC. You earn a commission based on the number of clicks on your affiliate link, regardless of whether a sale is made. Pay per install, PPI. You earn a commission when users install a software or app through your affiliate link. Each program has its own advantages and payout structures, so it's important to choose the one that aligns with your goals and audience. 3. Finding and joining affiliate programs. Now that you understand the basics and types of affiliate programs, the next step is to find and join programs that suit your niche. There are many affiliate networks and platforms where you can discover affiliate opportunities. Here are a few popular ones. Amazon Associates, one of the largest and most accessible affiliate programs, offering a wide range of products. ShareASale, a diverse affiliate network with thousands of merchants across various industries. CJ Affiliate, Commission Junction, a well-established network with high-quality merchants and competitive commissions. ClickBank, known for digital products and high commission rates, ideal for niche markets. Rakuten Marketing, a global affiliate network with a wide range of brands and products. To join these programs, you'll typically need to sign up, provide some information about your website or marketing channels, and get approved by the merchants. Once you're approved, you can start promoting their products and earning commissions. 4. Choosing the right products to promote. Choosing the right products to promote is crucial for your success as an affiliate marketer. Here are some tips to help you make the best choices. Relevance. Select products that are relevant to your niche and audience. Promoting unrelated products can lead to lower conversions and trust issues. Quality. Ensure the products are of high quality and offer value to your audience. Your reputation is on the line, so only recommend products you believe in. Commission rates. Compare commission rates across different programs. Higher commissions can significantly impact your earnings. Merchant reputation. Partner with reputable merchants who have a history of good customer service and reliable payments. By carefully selecting products that align with your audience's interests and needs, you can increase your chances of success. 5. Creating high-converting content. Creating high-converting content is key to driving traffic and generating sales. Here are some effective content types and strategies. Product reviews. Write detailed reviews of the products you're promoting. Highlight the features, benefits, and your personal experience. Tutorials and how-to guides. Create step-by-step guides that show how to use the products. This helps your audience see the value and practicality. Comparison posts. Compare multiple products within the same category. Provide pros and cons to help your audience make informed decisions. Listicles. Create lists of the best products in your niche, such as Top 10 Gadgets for Tech Enthusiasts. Video content. Utilize video platforms like YouTube to create engaging and informative videos. Video content often has higher engagement rates. Remember to include your affiliate links naturally within the content and provide clear calls to action. The goal is to inform and persuade your audience to make a purchase through your links. 6. Driving traffic to your affiliate links. Now that you've created great content, the next step is to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Here are some effective strategies. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to increase organic traffic. Use relevant keywords, create high-quality backlinks, and focus on user experience. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms to promote your content and affiliate links. Share valuable posts, engage with your audience, and use hashtags to reach a wider audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters with valuable content and affiliate promotions. Personalized recommendations can lead to higher conversions. Paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising methods such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Instagram Ads to drive targeted traffic to your content. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other websites in your niche. This helps you reach a new audience and build backlinks to your own site. By combining these strategies, you can attract more visitors to your content and increase your chances of earning affiliate commissions. 7. Analyzing and optimizing your campaigns. To ensure your affiliate marketing efforts are effective, it's important to analyze and optimize your campaigns. Here are some key metrics to track. Click-through rate, center. The percentage of people who click on your affiliate links. A higher center indicates that your content and calls to action are effective. Conversion rate. The percentage of visitors who make a purchase after clicking on your affiliate link. This metric measures the effectiveness of your sales funnel. Earnings per click, EPC. The average earnings you make for each click on your affiliate links. This helps you understand the profitability of your campaigns. Traffic sources. Identify where your traffic is coming from, such as search engines, social media, or email campaigns. Focus on the sources that generate the most conversions. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, affiliate network dashboards, and heat maps to gather data and insights. Based on your findings, make adjustments to your content, marketing strategies, and affiliate partnerships to improve performance. To recap, affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income and build a thriving online business. By understanding the basics, choosing the right programs, creating high-converting content, driving traffic, and analyzing your campaigns, you can achieve success in affiliate marketing. Remember, consistency and determination are key. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but with the right approach, you can achieve your income goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips on financial success and online marketing. Don't forget to like this video and share your experiences or questions about affiliate marketing in the comments section below. Let's build a community of successful affiliate marketers together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.